Best Robot Vacuum. Looking for the best robot vacuum to keep your floors clean without spending hours doing it yourself? In this video, we're checking out 5 of the best robot vacuums that stand out for suction power, smart navigation, pet hair pickup, mopping features, and hands-free convenience. Whether you have carpets, hard floors, pets, or a busy household, there's something here for different cleaning needs. So, let's get started with our top picks. Number 5. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Color: cool gray. Weight: 15.3 pounds. Category: robot vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra AV2511AE is built for people who want to spend less time manually cleaning floors, especially in homes with pets. It works on both carpet and hard floors, using strong suction along with a self-cleaning brush roll to pick up everyday dirt, debris, and pet hair. One of its most useful features is Shark's Matrix Clean system. Instead of simply making a single pass through a room, the robot follows a precision grid pattern and makes multiple passes over areas for more complete coverage. Navigation is handled by 360-degree LiDAR mapping, which helps the vacuum learn your home and move between rooms more efficiently. You can control it through the Shark app, and it also supports voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The biggest convenience, though, is the XL bagless self-empty base. After cleaning, the robot automatically empties collected debris into the dock, which can hold up to 60 days of dirt without requiring disposable bags. It also supports recharge and resume, so if the battery gets low during a larger cleaning job, it can return to the dock, recharge, and continue where it stopped. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra looks like a solid choice for pet owners or larger households that want automated floor cleaning with less day-to-day maintenance. Pros: strong suction for carpet, hard floors, and pet hair. 60-day bagless self-empty base reduces regular maintenance. LiDAR mapping and Matrix Clean provide organized coverage. Cons: at 15.3 pounds, the complete unit is relatively substantial. The self-empty base requires additional floor space. Advanced mapping and voice features depend on Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 4. ROPVACNIC S1 Robot Vacuum. Color: light black. Weight: 3.3 kilograms. Category: robot vacuum and mop combo. The ROPVACNIC S1 is a practical option if you want one robot that can handle both everyday vacuuming and light mopping around the house. It combines 5,200 pascals of suction with an electronically controlled water tank, so it can pick up dust and crumbs while also wiping hard floors. For mopping, you get 4 adjustable water levels, which lets you control how much water is used depending on the floor or the mess. On the vacuuming side, there are 3 suction levels and multiple cleaning modes, making it suitable for hardwood floors as well as low-pile carpets. Pet owners may also appreciate the brush design. Instead of relying on a traditional roller brush that can collect tangled hair, the S1 uses dual rotating side brushes to sweep pet hair and debris toward the suction path. You can control cleaning through the smartphone app, included remote, or voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. Its obstacle detection system helps it navigate around furniture, and when the battery gets low, it automatically returns to the charging base. Battery life is rated at up to 120 minutes. At just under 3 inches tall, it can also reach beneath some lower furniture. Overall, the ROPVACNIC S1 seems like a solid choice for homes that want convenient vacuuming, basic mopping, and pet hair cleaning in one machine. Pros: strong 5,200 pascal suction with 3 adjustable power levels. Vacuums and mops with 4 electronic water settings. App, remote, and Alexa or Google Assistant controls. Cons: recommended mainly for hard floors and low-pile carpets. Mopping is designed for routine floor cleaning, not heavy scrubbing. It does not include a self-emptying dust base. Number 3. Tikom G8000 Max Robot Vacuum. Color: black. Weight: 5.3 pounds. Category: robot vacuum and mop combo. The Tikom G8000 Max is worth a look if you want a robot that can vacuum and mop during the same cleaning run. It delivers up to 5,000 pascals of suction, giving it enough power to handle everyday dust, crumbs, and pet hair across hard floors as well as short and medium pile carpets. What makes it convenient is the combined 450 milliliter dustbin and 300 milliliter water tank. That setup allows the robot to vacuum and mop simultaneously, so you don't have to run 2 separate cleaning cycles. Battery life is another strong point. In quiet mode, the G8000 Max can operate for up to 150 minutes, and when power gets low, it automatically returns to recharge. You also have plenty of control options. It supports app, remote, voice, and onboard button controls, along with 4 cleaning modes: spot, edge, zigzag, and manual. Zigzag mode is especially useful when you want more systematic floor coverage. At around 3 inches tall, the vacuum is slim enough to reach underneath many beds, sofas, and cabinets. Anti-collision and anti-fall sensors also help it avoid furniture and stairs. Overall, the Tikom G8000 Max is a solid option for someone who wants strong suction, long runtime, and basic mopping in one affordable style cleaning setup. Pros: powerful 5000 Pascal suction for debris and pet hair. Up to 150 minutes of battery life in quiet mode. Simultaneous vacuuming and mopping with multiple control options. Cons: mopping uses a relatively small 300 milliliters water tank. Carpet cleaning is specifically described for short and medium pile carpets. Its 2.99-inch height may still be too tall for very low clearance furniture. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Plus 405. Color: matte black. Weight: 5 kilograms. Category: robot vacuum and mop combo. The iRobot Roomba Plus 405 is designed for people who want more than basic automated vacuuming. This 2-in-1 robot can vacuum and mop in the same cleaning routine, while its auto-wash dock takes care of much of the maintenance afterward. For everyday cleaning, it uses a multi-surface rubber brush, edge sweeping brush, and 4 adjustable suction levels to handle crumbs, dust, and pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. When it's time to mop, the dual clean spinning mop pads add downward pressure, while Smart Scrub can provide extra scrubbing for tougher spots. Navigation is handled by Clearview LiDAR, which creates a map of your home and lets you target individual rooms or specific clean zones. You can also create keep-out zones for areas you want the robot to avoid. When it reaches carpet, the mop pads automatically lift to help prevent unwanted mopping. The auto-wash dock is a major convenience feature. It can hold collected debris for up to 75 days, refresh and wash the mop pads, and dry them after cleaning. Battery life is listed at up to 120 minutes, and control is available through the Roomba Home app, onboard buttons, or a compatible voice assistant. Overall, the Roomba Plus 405 looks like a strong choice for households wanting automated vacuuming, serious mopping, and less hands-on maintenance. Pros: auto wash dock self-empties, washes, refreshes, and dries the mop pads. Dual spinning mop pads and Smart Scrub provide more focused floor scrubbing. LiDAR mapping supports room cleaning, clean zones, and keep-out zones. Cons: the auto-wash dock takes up considerably more space than a basic charging base. Full mapping and customization rely heavily on the Roomba Home app. At 5 kilograms, the robot is heavier than some simpler robotic vacuum models. Number 1. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Color: dark gray. Weight: 14.4 pounds. Category: robot vacuum. If pet hair and everyday floor messes keep piling up, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra is designed to take a lot of that routine cleaning off your hands. It works across both carpets and hard floors, using Shark's powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll to pick up dust, debris, and pet hair without requiring constant brush maintenance. One feature that really stands out is Matrix Clean navigation. Instead of randomly moving around the room, the robot follows a precise grid pattern and makes multiple passes over areas that may need extra attention. It also uses 360-degree LiDAR mapping to learn your home and navigate around objects, even in low-light conditions. Once the map is created, you can schedule cleanings or start the robot remotely, and Alexa or Google Assistant support gives you another hands-free control option. The included HEPA bagless self-empty base can store up to 30 days of collected dirt and debris. Its filtration system is designed to capture 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns, which can be especially useful in homes with pets. Runtime reaches up to 120 minutes, and recharge and resume lets the robot recharge before continuing an unfinished cleaning job. Overall, the AV2501S is a solid choice if you want reliable automated vacuuming, smart navigation, and less frequent dustbin emptying. Pros: Matrix Clean provides systematic multi-pass floor coverage. 30-day bagless self-empty base includes HEPA filtration. 120-minute runtime with LiDAR mapping and recharge and resume. Cons. This model vacuums only and does not offer a mopping function. The self-empty base still needs to be emptied periodically. Wi-Fi is required to take advantage of its connected smart features.